Hey guys, my name's Annika and welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So I've actually already done my brows using the Benefit Brow Zing. And then today the palette that I'm using is the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I started off with the shade Rustic and just put that into my crease, and then deepened it up with the shade Cypress Umber just to create some depth and darkness, because I'm just going to cut it into a crease. Cut it into a crease? What am I saying? Anyways, yeah, I'm just blending that out here. And this is the first time I've ever done a cut crease in my life, so I was kind of worried, but I just went in with foundation instead of concealer. I looked up to get where the marking should be and just cleaned up all the excess. I pressed that in with my finger just to blend everything out, so when I put the product on it would go on seamlessly. And then I went in with the shade Bronze, and that shade was so freaking pigmented. These shades are also quite dusty, so there is quite a bit of fallout, which is why I chose to do my eyeshadow before anything else. I then took a smaller pencil brush and went in with the shade Cypress Umber again, just to darken up that line to make sure it's very crisp. And then I went in with the shade Orange Soda to blend out the line at the top. And then that's me cleaning it up. This is actually a collection glitter liner in number 3. It's called Funk, and I'm so surprised by how good this was. This is my first time ever doing a cut crease or a glitter liner in the middle of my eyeball, so it was really good. And then I just went in with that shade again, the bronze shade, and just cleaned everything up to make sure it really popped. And this is me doing eyeliner, and this is the NYX matte eyeliner. I really love this one. It's just so black and just it stays on forever as well. So yeah, using a elf pencil liner, I just went in and tight lined with this. I also put this on my bottom lash line, and then I went in with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I'm using the Nars Sheer Glow here, and I'm just using a beauty blender to push that product into my skin. And also, by the way guys, my sister didn't know this either, but you're supposed to squeeze it under the water until it expands and then use it. This is me finding out that results were out, which is why I'm like so freaked out in this little clip and attacking my face with the beauty blender. But then I got over it and then started concealing with the C10 Revolution concealer, and then afterwards I went in with a lighter concealer on top. And these are just the areas that I like to conceal, but you can conceal wherever you feel like it, honey. But this is the Catrice one in light beige, and then I'm just pushing that right back into my skin and making sure everything is seamless. I felt like I needed a little bit more, so I just went in with a tiny bit more and blended that out. And then I went in with the RCMA No Color Powder and set down all of my face. I actually piled this on in the places that I concealed, and then I went in with a much larger brush and just blended it all out to get rid of any particles that I had left on my face, instead of just doing it everywhere, you know. While I was fixing my camera, the music just randomly turned on, and I was just like, what on earth? It was really creepy. I felt like you guys should experience its creepiness with me, so I put the clip in. That was so weird. I didn't want my lower lash line to be as dark as the crease, so I actually went in with the shade Burnt Orange and then put that into my lower lash line with the shade Dusty Rose. And then I went in with the Bad Gal Bang mascara again, and this is really good on your lower lashes. So I went in with this Cali contour kit by Smashbox using the 2 brown shades basically, using a large fluffy brush. And then I felt like that wasn't enough, so I took a smaller brush and took the contour shade and just focused that into all these areas. I don't know why I do my forehead, because I have a tiny forehead anyway. But yeah, there you go. Then I contoured my nose using the Bahama Mama's bronzer, because I don't like any other contour shade for my nose. I just think it looks really dirty if I use any other shade. So yeah, then I thought, why the hell not? Which is exactly what I said. So I just went in on the rest of my face as well and just dusted that everywhere. Using a bit of translucent powder and the beauty blender that I did my foundation with, I just went in to clean up that the bronzer and contour to make sure that everything looked a bit sharper, and then so it didn't look too crazy, I just blended that out. Then I went in with the blusher from the Cali contour kit, and that's what I used. Then I went in with this Huda Beauty palette, and then I took the second shade, I don't know how to pronounce that, it begins with an S, and that's the highlight that I used on my face. And I went a bit crazy with this because I want it to be super gluey, and then I put this on my eyebrow, but it just went a bit odd, so I went in with some more brown. And then I put some lip liner on, and this was a Kiko lip liner. It was a pink shade, some random pink shade, the numbers rubbed off now, and this is a Colourpop shade called Frack. And yeah, that pretty much completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I hope everybody has an amazing Eid, so Eid Mubarak to everybody watching and everybody in general. So yeah, bye, I'll see you guys in the next one.